Can't hear stream sound audio not working in Discord mobile. Hey guys, this is Lucy back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So for that you need to go to Discord and go to settings. So to go to settings you need to tap on your profile and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. So here in settings you need to scroll till you find voice. Here in voice, you need to increase your volume, soundboard volume, then make sure your noise separation is on crisp, then turn on echo cancellation, and other settings should not really matter. So close your Discord app, then go to Play Store. Here, search for Discord and check for updates. If here any updates updated, otherwise let's hop into the next step. So the next step is to go to settings and tap on apps. In the app settings, search for Discord. After you go in Discord, click on storage. Here, click on clear cache. After that, go to permissions. Make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions. After that, restart your mobile phone. Then your problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.